Okay, so from Amazon today, I decided to get some new wireless earbuds because my other ones I had to give to my son due to the fact that I broke his phone speaker. So these ones here were a good price, and you can see it comes in a nice little box here. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna give these ones a shot. Let's check it out. It's nice the way they're black because my other ones are white. So it comes with this little case here. So this is the case for it. Let's see, how do we open it? Oh, it's a little charging case. So there we go. Oh, it opens up. Oh, and it's already charged. I see it's got the 4 lights already on it. And then the buds are in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there they are. Dropped one in the case, and here they are here. Boy, they're beautiful looking. Wow, these are really nice looking earbuds. So just gonna give it a little fit here in my ear. And wow, these are gonna be nice. These aren't gonna fall out. That's what I like about that. So these are gonna be really good. So, and you can see there's two little plugs there. It connects up, a little magnetizes it. Oh, and it lights up when it's charging. That's fantastic. And it comes with the little micro USB charging. And let's see here. And here we got the book for it, which is nicely written in English, and it's actually big writing that I can read, unlike some of these other ones that are just so minuscule. And it comes with a warranty card as well. Oh, I can't pick it up, but there we go. Warranty card with all their information on it. And oh, good, tells it easily how to pair it too. This is great. I can't wait to use these. These are gonna be fantastic.